Social Media Marketing Crash Course, Social Media Campaign Planning and Execution. Introduction. Welcome to the Social Media Marketing Crash Course. In this lesson, we will delve into the intricacies of planning and executing effective social media campaigns. A well-executed social media campaign can create buzz, engage your audience, and drive meaningful results for your business. From brainstorming ideas to measuring success, this crash course will equip you with the knowledge and strategies to plan and execute successful social media campaigns. In this article, we will share interesting stories, explore the top 12 social media campaigns, and provide you with valuable insights to elevate your campaign planning and execution. Stories and examples. 1. ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. The ALS Ice Bucket Challenge is one of the most successful social media campaigns in history. It involved participants pouring a bucket of ice water over their heads, sharing the video on social media, and nominating others to do the same or make a donation to ALS research. The campaign went viral, with millions of people participating and raising awareness and funds for the cause. 2. Nike's #JustDoIt. Nike's #JustDoIt campaign has been a staple in their marketing strategy. The campaign encourages people to push their limits, overcome challenges, and achieve their goals. Through powerful storytelling and inspiring visuals, Nike has created a movement that resonates with their target audience and motivates them to take action. Top 12 social media campaigns. 1. Coca-Cola's Share a Coke. Coca-Cola's Share a Coke campaign personalized their product by printing popular names on their bottles. This campaign encouraged people to share photos of their personalized bottles on social media, generating a sense of connection and fostering user-generated content. 2. Airbnb's We Are Here. Airbnb launched a campaign called We Are Here to promote diversity and inclusivity. They featured stories of Airbnb hosts from different backgrounds and cultures, celebrating the diversity of their community and showcasing their commitment to inclusivity. 3. Dove's Real Beauty Sketches. Dove's campaign aimed to challenge beauty standards and boost women's self-esteem. They conducted an experiment where an FBI-trained sketch artist drew women based on their self-descriptions and then based on descriptions given by strangers. The campaign sparked conversations about self-perception and beauty standards. 4. Old Spice's The Man Your Man Could Smell Like. Old Spice created a humorous and memorable campaign featuring a confident and charismatic character addressing the audience directly. The campaign went viral, generating millions of views and revitalizing the brand's image. 5. Oreo's Dunk in the Dark. During the Super Bowl blackout in 2013, Oreo quickly tweeted a simple image with the caption, "You can still dunk in the dark." This timely and witty response showcased Oreo's agility and creativity in capitalizing on real-time events. 6. Red Bull's Stratus. Red Bull sponsored Felix Baumgartner's record-breaking freefall from the edge of space. The campaign captured the world's attention and showcased Red Bull's association with extreme sports and pushing boundaries. 7. GoPro's user-generated content. GoPro encouraged its users to capture and share their thrilling experiences using GoPro cameras. By showcasing user-generated content on social media, GoPro built a community and inspired others to explore and document their adventures. 8. ALS Association's Ice Bucket Challenge. The ALS Ice Bucket Challenge, mentioned earlier, spread like wildfire on social media. It successfully engaged millions of people and raised awareness and funds for amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ALS, research. 9. Always, #LikeAGirl. Always launched a campaign challenging the negative connotations associated with the phrase, like a girl. Through thought-provoking videos and empowering messages, they aimed to redefine the phrase and inspire confidence in girls and women. 10. Raise #OptOutside. REI, an outdoor retailer, launched a campaign encouraging people to skip Black Friday shopping and spend the day outdoors instead. This campaign aligned with their brand values and resonated with their target audience, promoting a healthier and more meaningful alternative. 11. Starbucks Unicorn Frappuccino. Starbucks introduced the limited edition Unicorn Frappuccino, a colorful and whimsical beverage. The campaign created a buzz on social media, with customers posting photos and reviews, driving both online and offline engagement. 12. Pampers, thank you, nurses. Pampers launched a campaign to celebrate and thank nurses for their tireless work. They encouraged people to share stories of nurses who made a difference in their lives, creating an emotional connection and honoring healthcare heroes. Summarization. In this crash course, we explored the exciting world of social media campaign planning and execution. We shared stories and examples of successful campaigns that captivated audiences and achieved remarkable results. We discussed campaigns like the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge, Nike's #JustDoIt, Coca-Cola's Share a Coke, and many more. Social media campaigns have the power to create a profound impact, driving brand awareness, engagement, and conversions. The key to a successful campaign lies in meticulous planning, understanding your audience, crafting compelling content, and leveraging the right social media platforms. Monitoring and analyzing campaign performance provide valuable insights for optimization and future campaigns. Remember, a successful social media campaign is not just about generating buzz. It is about fostering meaningful connections, resonating with your audience, and achieving your business objectives. So, take the knowledge gained from this crash course and embark on your journey to create impactful social media campaigns. Poem. In the realm of social media sway, campaigns are born to light the way. From stories shared to causes embraced, a world of connection and impact is traced. Coca-Cola's bottles, names we hold. A personal touch, stories untold. Airbnb's hosts, diversity's voice. A tapestry woven, a global choice. Dove's sketches, beauty redefined. Empowering women, self-perception aligned. Old Spice's man, charisma ablaze. Humor and charm, in a viral haze. Oreo's blackout, a dunk in the dark. A timely response, a creative spark. Red Bull's freefall, from skies so high. Pushing limits, aiming for the sky. GoPro's users, their moments of thrill. Capturing adventures, a quest to fulfill. ALS Ice Bucket Challenge, a viral dance. Raising awareness, a cause's chance. Always call, #like a girl to reclaim. Confidence and strength, breaking the frame. Raise outdoors, #opt outside to explore. Nature's beauty, Black Friday's lore. Starbucks unicorn, a drink so bright. Social media's delight, a colorful sight. Pampers nurses, heroes we adore. Gratitude expressed, forevermore. So, plan your campaigns with care and zest. Engage your audience, be their best. Social media's canvas, your stories unfold. Together we create a future untold. Song. Verse 1. In the world of social media, campaigns take flight. Igniting conversations, with creative might. From Coca-Cola's bottles, with names so dear. To Airbnb's hosts, celebrating diversity here. Chorus. Dove's real beauty sketches, a powerful cry. Old Spice's man, making us laugh, till we fly. Oreo's blackout, a tweet in the dark. Red Bull's freefall, pushing boundaries so stark. Verse 2. GoPro's adventurers, capturing life's zest. ALS Ice Bucket Challenge, a movement at its best. Always empowering call, #like a girl we rise. Raise #opt outside, nature's beauty our prize. Chorus. Starbucks unicorn, a splash of delight. Pampers nurses, shining in the night. These social media campaigns, a tapestry so bright. Uniting us all, with their radiant light. Ending note. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.